Hello guys, today we are going to discuss lead code problem 70, climbing stairs. Suppose you are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb one or two steps. In how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? In example 1, input n is equals to 2. So there are two steps. Output is 2. Because there are two ways to climb to the top. Either we can take one step plus one step, or we can take directly two steps. Suppose if n is equals to 3, output is 3 because there are three ways to climb to the top. One step plus one step plus one step. This is one way. Second step is one step plus two step. Third way is two step plus one step. So we can solve this question by using recursion. Suppose if n is equals to 0 or n less than equals to 1, and how many steps are there? There should be only one step, right? So let's say if n is less than equals to 1, let's say if n is equals to 0, there is only one step, one way. But if n is less than 0, then we should return 0 ways. I hope you understand this. And then we will use recursion. Basically, to reach n step, we need to reach n minus 1 step and n minus 2 step. So we can find the number of ways to reach n minus 1 and then add it to n minus 2. So we will just return self dot climb stairs, self dot climb stairs n minus 2. Let's run this code. So this code is working fine. If we submit the code, because this code is not optimized, we should we can use lookups, so that we need to compute the for the same value and again we can reuse the value, so we can use memory to store the already computed n. So if we submit the function, there are chances that it might not pass, maybe time limit exceeded or something. You see, time limit exceeded. So what I'm planning to do, I'm planning to have a in-memory lookup, right? Now, at the beginning only, we will check if n is already computed. So if n is present in lookup, we will simply return lookup n, right? Otherwise, okay, so let's do one thing. Let's paste it here. And if not in lookup, then what we can do, we can cut this code and paste it there. If n is not in lookup, then we will compute, otherwise we will not compute. We'll simply return lookup of n. Let's submit the code. Oh, lookup is not defined. I think, yeah, it should be self dot lookup. Now let's submit the code. You see it is working fine. The solution is accepted. So here in the worst case, the time complexity is order of n. I hope you like the solution. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.